Hi everyone, glad to be here. We are live again, and yesterday we had this issue with Flutter Quill with these errors, and after that, when I installed Flutter Quill on another device, it just ran just like that. And I had also tried it on another PC and it also worked. Okay, so this error just came out of nowhere, and you know, we've spent a lot of time on this issue, but thankfully we have it working now. So this is the error. This is the video of the recording, and of course I will stop this now. And this is now the app working on my phone here, and I can like open one playlist, and when I click on add song, as you can see, this is the Flutter Quill editor here. So the setup is just the same, guys, but before continuing on this one, I would like to, help out, as that's what we do as developers, because this is, I think this is one of the errors that I have encountered, but here, so I want to help out because this guy couldn't find an answer to his problem. So I will tell him what I've done. So I'll say, do not forget to, let's make it a little bigger. Do not forget to add hide text after the import of Flutter Quill. That's first, and second, I have also run into this issue, and the way I solved it was by deleting Flutter from my PC, then reinstalled it. No, let's just say was by reinstalling Flutter. Don't forget to add hide text. So let's actually provide the import statement here. Okay. Like here, inline. No. Like this. Do not forget to add hide text after the import of Flutter Quill. I have also run into this issue, and the way I solved it was by reinstalling Flutter. Okay, so that's how that's how I made it work here. And as you can see, this is the editor here. So let's see if we can get something out of this. The first thing we've done was, of course, to add Flutter Quill to our dependencies, and then inside this song add page, we have created the Quill controller, Quill editor controller, and after setting it up, we just, where do we do it? Let's open this so that we can Okay, here it is. We just add the widgets, Quill toolbar for the toolbar, and Quill editor for the editor. We just add the controller, we say read only is false, and that's how we got this. Wonderful. So let's add some, a simple text here and save this. Okay, I have this, and let's say I want to highlight your like this. But no. How do I access this here? This is kind of difficult. I can make this bold. I can make this, okay, so I will put this down and reselect it and highlight this to, let's say, blue. Here we are. Now we have some content. Yeah. And in order to save this, what I've done actually was using, where was the implementation? In code, I did it by first taking the content of this editor, and we have this chain of function. We take the content by saying quill editor.document to delta, so that's how we get it with the details. We can also say to plain text, I think, and then we get a plain text, and then to JSON. Okay, that's how we get all the data for this. And now we encode it. So this function will return a string, and all we have to do is to save the string into our database. And yeah, if I click add song, there it is, song added. If I open this, there I have my song. And with that, I also have that cursor, that as you can see, there's no keyboard showing up, even though the cursor is there. So I'm still looking for the way to get that out of the way. But the way I displayed it here was like this. Song page, here it is. We use Quill editor again, and as we have stored the data as JSON, now we can just JSON decode the lyrics, and from that we can just use the controller, Quill controller, and as a document we can have documented from JSON, and then we pass the JSON file inside the from JSON function, and that's how we get this. Wonderful, right? Yeah. So let's see if the feature of swiping it works for me. Let's say add song. If I open this, okay, it works. Wonderful. And I also have this edit page, which has an error, actually. Yeah. What's the error? Here it is. A late error, late initializer has not been initialized. Okay, so here it is, because I am putting late here. The controller here, and then I use it before the controller is initialized. So Quill editor, it's used here, and it seems like it's used before it's defined there. So what should we do? Late Quill controller, and then here I set it here. This should work. Okay. Scaffold, Quill controller, or do I just like do this? Do I just, instead of saying late, I can, and instead of final, I can say that it's not a final variable. Okay, I should close this. There it is. So let's restart the app and see if it works. Here we go, here we go. Here they are. Let's open this one, edit. Okay, so now I have a different error, which I hope means that I have solved the previous one. But here again, this is the same issue that we had before, which is the height, which is about the height constraint. I hope you can hear me, guys. Let me make this microphone a little closer. I myself will get closer to the screen also. On a column is a parent that does not provide a height. So how many times am I going to get this error? Because before learning why it's there, I know that it's about the height constraint, but the way to solve it for me is not straightforward. Let's remove this widget that helps us scroll through the document. We can solve that later if we want to make the page scrollable. Okay, let's restart it. Hot restart complete. Oh, now it's complete. So I can open this. Why is this here? I can open the song, then click on edit, and now it's working. But there's an issue. You see the issue? The content isn't here. It's not here yet. So what do we do? How do we pass a value there? Quill controller this. Um, hmm. Should I add this here? No, I don't think that follows Flutter's way of doing things. But I'm sure I need to learn a lot of things too, so yeah. Why is this here? How about this? Then why don't I define this here instead? Right? And then pass this. Because I already because I've got the content of this here. So now I can just do this. And maybe take the lyrics controller that I don't feel that this is right. But yeah, we're learning at the same time, so okay. 2 views. Wonderful. So let's actually reload this and see if our code works. I need some feedback here. Okay, don't need this keyboard there. Let's open this and edit. Well, no, unexpected end of input at character 1. What's the reason though? Unexpected end of input. Where is the issue from? It's from the JSON content. And just by reloading this, I can get the content of the songs on my phone's database. So we'll see if there's an issue on the... Oh, there shouldn't be any issue because this is here. So there should be another issue. If it's not that one, can't be null. So the right apparent is an error. This can't be null. Let's go into debug mode and just watch what happens when I get there. Context. Nope. Okay, why don't we just, string lyrics equal just this. We're gonna delete this later, but not right now. I can do this. So now I can debug again and I can just say lyrics string. Wonderful. Let's reload again. Okay. There you go. Let's open the song. Open the song and click edit. Context this. And the content of lyrics string. There's nothing inside there. Oh, I get it. I get it. It's because this should be encoded, right? But at the same time, lyrics string. Oh, I shouldn't redefine this. Ah, so dumb. Songs that lyrics. Let's reload again. Okay, so this should have some content when we get here. And that's what we want to check. I hope it does. I hope it does. Inside this I have lyrics string doesn't have anything. Why? Get song and then do this song ID. Active song default. Okay, so let's actually print the song and see what's going on there. If you guys want to help, please feel free to comment. I'm here to learn too. Okay, let's open this, click on edit, and now I get here before getting here. Oh, Jesus Christ. I forgot this, but I can't async this though. This is a problem. This is a problem. And then set state. Should I don't know. But I'm sure it's a bad practice to add a set state here. But let's still try. Set state. And put this here. And initial text. And now this becomes a very different thing. So I should, why don't I just do this then? No, I think that's important. Lyrics string. That basic. The basic. And then editor document. Can I set it from here? Equal. This is a question that I've had, you know, for some time, so I guess I need the community for this because I don't know the answer yet. So let's just search for Flutter controller text. How do we change value inside a text field Flutter? Text editing controller. So what you do is you just set it this way. That's how you do it. Okay, so I think I'm not wrong thinking the way I did. Yep, I guess this is it. Dot document equal how did I song page? Yeah. Document dot from JSON. Yeah, that's it. From JSON and you know, is it JSON decode? Decode. Words. If it's empty, just use an empty string instead. So here is where I set the content of the Quill editor's document. Now let's reload and see if we get to set this here. And hopefully this works fine. Here we go. Playlist. Open the song, click on the edit button, and oh yeah, I get here. If I skip this, I get here, read the content. Congratulations, everyone. We did it. Now we can change the content, of course. And in order to make this saved when I update, I have to you know, update the function that handles the edit. Where is it though? Update on update await edit song and lyrics.text. Now it's Quill editor. Don't worry guys, I will rename all of this later. The document to Delta to JSON. That's it. What's up? I am missing something but it's not on my mind yet. What is it? Add to JSON. Oh, I forgot the JSON encode. I'll have it here. Yeah. JSON encode. And all of that, and I'm done. Hot reload, and it gets here again. I can now disable this, and I'm good. This works like a charm. If I save this, it's updated. I'm so proud of you guys. Thank you for watching. So what's next? What's next is actually, we don't need all of these here. So we need to remove most of these, you know, these tools, like the heading and everything. Let's open Flutter Quill. Flutter Quill, and let's check this out. Flutter Quill. Here it is. Toolbar, Quill toolbar, that basic controller. Yeah, it's about the toolbar indeed. Toolbar, I can just make a quick search for toolbar, and I hope I will get to the customization. Toolbar, custom button, custom buttons. Okay, so I can have custom buttons. Okay. How do I choose which buttons appear there? Let's actually read, okay? You may add custom buttons. I don't want to add custom buttons. I want to remove options from there. What do I do then? Basics, button, mobile width. Let's check out everything that has toolbar inside it. Toolbar. I think I've made the tour. Now let's check what they have in GitHub. This demo app here, bullet journal. Because I hope that it's not like this there. That's the demo at the same time. Where's the GitHub of this? Check out sample page for advanced usage. Okay, this is the sample page. We need the toolbar. Enable selection toolbar. Quill editor, controller, scrollable, focus, autofocus. Okay, we have all of these. Expand false. Pretty interesting. Very interesting. On image paste. Wow. This looks good. Enable selection toolbar. And here we have the toolbar. Buttons, embed buttons, show alignment buttons. Oh, here they are. So there are lots of things like this. So I'll have to try them one by one. Okay, that's good for me, but let's still browse a little bit more. Let me make this a little bigger. Yeah, so this is the only hint I got here. So I guess these are heading buttons. These are order buttons. This is checkbox buttons, color button. What are these? Text formatting buttons? Okay. But at the same time, I can just, you know, hopefully this works. I can just add some add page, toolbar. We can just open toolbar and see the customization here. Toolbar basic. There we go. Yeah. Don't worry guys, I'm here to help. I'm here to show you that we have all of this just by control or command clicking on this. Is this a class? Yeah. we can see the implementation. And here it is. As you can see, we have all of these here. So let me have this on a tab there and disable most of this. Controller, show dividers. Okay. So controller, show underline button false. Okay. Show alignment buttons false. Okay. Show heading button header style false. Let's save this and see if it works. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Strike. I mean, all of these can be like very useful, but right now we want to just enable highlight, and that's it. We just want to be able to color the background of the text. Okay, so we can go fancy at a later time, because this can be more this can be more cumbersome than it should be if I display all of this inside, you know, the song. And as you already know, there are also the paralysis by analysis thing. So paralysis by analysis, I don't know. So code block false. So search button false. Can I just choose what to show instead of, you know, doing all of this? Show font size false. Show font family false. Show bold button false. Show italic button false. Show order. It's not order button. So what is it? Underline, strike through, inline code. There's also this inline code. Inline code false. Show right alignment. Right alignment false. Show list bullet false. Show list check false. Let's save and see where we are. Wonderful, wonderful. Just a few more. What are these? Show list numbers false. Show link false. Show nest indent false. Show what else? Strike through false. Show what else is there to show? Show quad. Yeah. False. What's going on here? I already have this. Isn't defined. Try correcting the name to an existing named parameters. But it's there. Oh, shortcut false. Let's save again and see again. Okay, so what is this one? This text formatting. Oh, I guess this is important. So I can color this and then uncolor it using this. Wonderful. I can also color the text like this. Add song. Bum bum. Bum bum. Add song. And here it is. Wonderful. And that's how you set up the toolbar. And I will copy paste this on the edit page. Do you know why I don't have just one widget for both of the toolbars? Because there are just two of them. And it's extra work for me to, you know, I want it to work first. And after that, I will refactor. If I edit, I get here, and I can like add content, and yeah, that's all I want to have. Highlight and text background. That's it. So I can write, yeah. Does this work though? Yeah, it works. This, I didn't think about this, but that's a very good idea. But this toolbar though, it's above the line of this info. So I need to move it down. Is there such a thing as a spacer? I don't want to have any padding or margin. Flutter spacer. Empty space can be used. Fine-tune space between. Okay. Spacer flex of 1. No, I don't want a spacer with a flexible value. I want a spacer with a fixed value. No? So it's a sized box. The way to go there? No, that's the wrong way of doing this. So I guess I have no choice but to use padding. If you have any recommendation, guys. Oh, but why is it up there though? Let's save this and check again later. No, not this. Oh, it's this one, yeah. Looks much better. Much more clean. Now, what I've done was adding the text field. I was putting the text field into the padding, but that's not what I need. What I need is to put the Quill toolbar inside the padding. And works like a charm. But I don't like this padding on the left here. Edging side insets, let's say from left to left top, okay, left 0, top like 18, and that's all I need in it. Good. This is all I need for now. I finished setting this up. So hopefully, guys, you're able to try this app. Again, it's playlist. It's called the playlist. If you want to help me out in building this, thank you for watching the stream. If you want to install the app that I'm working on, it's on this link here. If you want some more Flutter, live videos, please let me know. So yeah. I have people here on Facebook commenting. Hi people, nice to see you guys. Wonderful. I'm glad that you're watching the stream. Yeah, so I think that's it for the stream today, because I've achieved the result that I've been looking for with Flutter Quill, and the next time I'm gonna be using Flutter Quill is when implementing the web application, because we are also going to use Quill there using React Quill. React Quill. This one. So we have a JSON string in the database, and that will help us, have the database editable from the web and also from the mobile application. So yeah, this looks good to me, guys. I'm now able to do this, and I'm really sorry I haven't been able to show you how I have, added this feature, which I really like very much. We can now have emojis and edit the emojis of the playlists. This is an amazing feature, and looking forward for the next live video, guys. It can be, I don't know, after 30 minutes, maybe tomorrow, but it's not gonna take long. Thank you, guys, and if you don't mind, please subscribe and follow the page on Facebook if you're on Facebook. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.